Play action, wide open, Klutz, fullback, touchdown. Williams breaks a tackle, looking for a block, and he's got another postseason touchdown. Hand up to Murray, lost the ball. Green Bay is on top of it. I mean, you see Ronald Leary, their left guard, he pulled. There is nobody anywhere near him, and Julius Pepper saves what would definitely have been a touchdown. Well, I'm with you. It was wide open to the end zone, and that may be the play of the game. 4th down and 2. Here's one. Caught by Des Bryant. They're going to mark him inside the 1, and a brilliant catch by number 88.
Green Bay is challenging rolling on the field of a completed catch. Timeout.
What are they challenging? When he catches the ball, he comes to the ground. The ball kind of scoots
Green Bay is challenging rolling on the field of a completed catch.
Wow.
After review, it has been determined that the receiver did not maintain
Go. 2 tight ends. Rams come with a blitz. Play action by Romo. They stock it up. He stands and goes deep. O'Brien's alone at the 20. Running away to the 5. Touchdown Cowboys. Bogey line. Waiting for the snap. Snap back. 3rd and 2. Pocket over the middle. Williams at the 5. Slant and in. Touchdown Cowboys. And will play fake. Back to throw. Pressure coming over the middle. Intercepted Carter. 25-20. Right to the 15-10. Pick 6. Bruce Carter.
Takes the draw to Murray. Now throws it in the end zone for a touchdown to Terrence Williams.
And the deep shot to Williams down at the 5. To the goal line. Touchdown Cowboys. Rushed by Watt. He escapes Watt. He heaves it down to the post to Williams. And he caught it. Touchdown Cowboys. And he throws a deep ball down the left side and an ugly one for Bryant. That's about the most ridiculous catch I've ever seen. They look in middle. Throw it end zone. Touchdown. Hand off Murray. Coming right. Into the middle. To the 10. 5. Walk the goal. Touchdown. Wilson back to throw. Pumps deep middle. Intercepted. At the 50-yard line. Rolando McClain seals the win for the Dallas Cowboys. Back, looking left, looking right. Peels off to his left. Stops, throws it in the end zone. Touchdown. Here it goes. Under throws. Terrence Williams. Looking middle. Throw it in the end zone. Wide open. Touchdown. O'Brien across the middle. A little check down. Right to tackle. Right sideline. Bryant streaking. 5-yard line. Goal line. Throw up the X. Touchdown Bryant. Deep down the right side. He's got Dez. He tapped the ball. Broke away at the 30. 20. 10. Dez. Pile out. Throw it up again.
And Manning's going to heave on the shoulders. Oh my goodness. This is sick. Put this to music. That may be the greatest catch I've ever seen in my life. It's in the conversation. Wow.
Over the middle, Beasley. First down to the 40. Breaks away. Left to the 30. Needs a block from Williams. 10, 5. Touchdown. Cole Beasley. Rolling right. Throwing. He's got a man up again. 10, 5. Right pylon. Touchdown and throw up the X. Degon looking left. Looking middle. Pumps. Looking right. Looking left. Standing. Throw it in the end zone. Touchdown. There's Bryant. And then he won the play. Over the gun. On 2nd down. Pumps. Looks. Throws it to Beasley at the 5. get the hand of him. He scored through to the 10, to the 5, hip wing to the left, to the pylon, and Randall walks the dog. Snap, looking right, quick fade for Dez, back in the end zone, reached up, caught it! Touchdown, Dez Bryant! And fires a deep fade down the right side for Dez. He caught it over the shoulder, touchdown, Bryant! And the X is going up again. Snap back and they are blitzing, and Romo takes a shot to Dez right side. Oh, touchdown! Over the shoulder, over throw from Romo, dropped it in like rain right over Bryant's shoulder for the third time tonight. The X goes up. Wow. Back to throw to his right side. Romo on first down to throw. Run time. Deep down the right side. Drop down. Bryant caught it. Right corner of the end zone. Touchdown Cowboys. Over the middle of the slant, Beasley across the 50, work away the 10, Beasley to the goal line, touchdown! Second and 11, Romo looks right, looks middle, oh he's got it at the 5, touchdown to the big man! 4 for Romo! Romo goes quick screen left to Bryant, he made the man miss, left sideline, first down 50, 45, a little long way, 30, Bryant's going, Bryant beat the safety, Bryant to the goal line, touchdown! You do this, I do that. Yep. 65 yards for Dez Bryant on the Academy Sports first touchdown of the game, and there it goes. A New Year's Eve throw up